Horse shows like this and riding school for kids.
Donc, ils ont ici une centaine de chevaux. Donc, ils font, donc les excursions ici, mais ils ont aussi donc une école justement pour les enfants pendant l'été. Donc, il y a beaucoup de gens qui font des stages ici, qui apprennent en cheval. Hello. Bienvenue.
We want to show you our Icelandic horse and what he can do. My name is Kolla, I'm the head trainer here. My horse name is Raj from Gauksmýri and he's a first prize stallion.
Hello, my name is Elise. I work in the stable and I'm riding Leicester and he's a 10-year-old gelding.
Gelding.
Hello, my name is Marina. I'm from Germany and this is Mint. It's a 7-year-old.
Voilà, ils vont.
Horses with them from all over Scandinavia, Scotland and Ireland. And it was different kind of horses with many different kind of colors. So today you see more than 30 different colors in the Icelandic horses.
Donc, ils ont amené des chevaux de toute la Scandinavie.
Now we go to walk. Walk is also a four-beated gait. It's similar to the turtle. Here it's just going much more slowly. So here you can better see how they move the legs.
Le pas.
So we just speed it up.
Ouais.
Meaning that when the top riders take their best horses with them to World Championship in Europe, they cannot take the horse with them home again.
Iceland, et ça veut dire la même chose pour les cavaliers. Skål!
You can drink what you have left.
Donc ils font parfois ces compétitions justement qu'ils font une compétition en vitesse et donc celui qui a le plus dans le verre.
Now she will turn around and then she will go to trot. Then you can better see the difference between tilt and trot.
Il n'y a pas que la mousse qui est secouée. Hein.
Ben non, bien sûr. Ouais.
Not completely. One more time, Kolla. And then it's in pace. Front leg, back leg moves at the same time.
Ouais, là, les deux en même temps. Donc.
He's keeping an eye on us here. There you go, buddy. There you go. Hey, bud. Got enough hay there? Anything I can get you? Cool drink, maybe? No? Some hay? Some carrots? Oh, his head perked up a little bit. Carrots. Anything else? They're smaller than I thought. They're really like small horses here, so I don't know. Yes. Ah, yeah, good shot.
Je sais bien, il n'a pas voulu que je monte. Je voulais juste monter sur la scène.
Hey, buddy. No, it's okay. You can pet him. Go ahead.
Wow. He is very new. Yep, it takes it.